Hi there, world history. Sorry for my voice. I'm just getting over, hopefully, finally being sick. But I wanted to introduce to you World War II. This is definitely the most deadly conflict of all time. And this war is very different than its predecessor. So whereas we learned about entrenchment with World War I, this war goes very quickly and in fact starts with that blitzkrieg strategy of Hitler's, okay? And then despite diplomatic efforts, the United States ends up getting involved, as I'm sure you know, and that really ends up turning the tide in the Allied powers' hands. And finally, we're going to see a dawn of a new age that's really going to change warfare for all time for us, and that's the atomic bomb. That's going to have repercussions all the way throughout the rest of history in this course. So you're going to see that happening. It's also going to be what spurs the United States and then the Soviet Union into my favorite, the Cold War. Okay, so let me know, as always, if you have any questions. I have your essential questions and learning objectives stated for the course and for this unit, and I hope you enjoy World War II, as most students do. Thanks, guys.